Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guided by the visionary leadership of the President and Council of the College of Physicians Surgeons Pakistan, the college is steadfastly advancing towards excellence in higher medical education and research. In pursuit of this overarching objective, the Directorate of Medical Education and the Advanced Skills Department are actively engaged in organizing educational workshops designed to empower both trainees and supervisors with essential academic and clinical competencies. The Directorate of Medical Education regularly conducts a series of structured workshops for postgraduate trainees, including communication skills, research methodology, biostatistics, and article writing, primary surgical skills, introduction to computer and internet. For supervisors, DME offers focused profession development workshops such as education planning and evaluation, assessment of competence, supervisory skills, and research methodology and medical writing. In parallel, the Advanced Skills Department conducts highly specialized training programs and hands on courses aimed at sharpening procedural and technical expertise. These include internationally recognized certifications such as Basic Life Support, Advanced Trauma Life Support, Advanced Cardiovascular Life Support, Advanced Life Support in Obstetrics, and Pediatrics Advanced Life Support. As a result of these robust training efforts, the Directorate of Medical Education has successfully trained over 71,856 trainees and 13,229 supervisors to date. Likewise, the Advanced Skills Department has contributed by training 71,176 trainees and 905 senior trainers through advanced skills courses. Following the CPSP Current Council's first meeting on March 19, 2023, and during the inaugural meeting of the newly elected faculties on March 31, 2023, the enhancement of quality and standardization, particularly within educational workshops, was formally adopted as a core institutional priority. Aligned with this renewed vision, the Directorate of Medical Education launched first Master Training Workshop in Karachi on May 17, 2023. This initiative was soon expanded nationwide, with subsequent sessions of Master Training Workshops were conducted in Lahore, Islamabad, Peshawar, Quetta, Bahawalpur, Multan, Rawalpindi, and Swat. In line with global best practices, workshops for both residents and supervisors were systematically revamped. The Communication Skills Workshop underwent a comprehensive revision by a national panel of experts and was rebranded as SCOPE, that is, Skills in Communication, Orientation, Professionalism, and Ethics. The updated workshop has been successfully implemented in Karachi, Lahore, and other major cities with positive feedback from participants. Building on this momentum, the Research Methodology Workshop was also overhauled to reflect the institution's strategic transition from dissertation writing to article publication, a shift that has been in development for over a decade. The rationale and significance of this transformation have been elaborated by the President of CPSP in a dedicated video link of which is given in the description of this video. The revised workshop content now includes step-by-step guidance in synopsis development, training in manuscript preparation, strategies for publishing in peer-reviewed medical journals. To assess the impact and effectiveness of this training, pre- and post-tests were integrated into the workshop structure. Furthermore, TOKS task-oriented assessment of clinical skills stations evaluating research competencies have been incorporated into both the IMM and FCPS Part 2 examination. The pilot session of the revamped research workshop was held in Lahore on 18 to 20 June 2025, graced by the presence of the present CPSP, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, Director General DNRP, Professor Mahmood Ayaz, Director General Medical Education, Professor Ahmed Zaman Khan, and Professor Muhammad Tayyab, Counselor CPSP. A subsequent trial was conducted in Islamabad on June 20 to 22nd The revamped Research Workshop of Islamabad was inaugurated by the Senior Vice President, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, accompanied by Director International Relations, Major General Professor Mazhar Ishaq. Present CPSP Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and Director General Medical Education Professor Amir Zaman Khan were connected through video conference and addressed the participants. CPSP President, Senior Vice President, Director General Medical Education, Director International Relations visited Gilgit Center this week and addressed participants of trainees and examiners workshop, the link of which is given in the description of this video. Thank you.